where you get that germ of an idea, where it comes through, wherever it comes through from, whether it's inspiration or whether it's like from the ether, wherever that is, because sometimes it really just comes out of nowhere. It's just like it has happened to me where I wasn't even thinking of writing a song and I didn't even have my guitar, and I'm just like sitting on a couch watching a show and I get this melody in my head. Now, where that came from, who knows? But when that happens, that to me is the most exciting part of songwriting, right at the beginning. So if I were, just mucking around with my guitar with some chord progression, like this one, just a random chord progression, just mucking around, and then something comes like this. You get by, you get a little lost sometimes, gets a little tough sometimes along the way. And I'm like, whoa, man, I like that. And you get excited, and for me that is, and I just want to like go crazy at that point. You just sit down and just like, whoa, I want to explore this and really get into the whole songwriting process. But the beginning of it, that germ of an idea, once that melodic line comes through on top of a cool chord progression, that's for me, that's a big one. But a close second would be like the finished product. Lyrics are a big part of it. When I actually put into words what I'm feeling and make it rhyme and make it fit with my melodic line, that's a huge win for me during the songwriting process. And then just the completed thing, just a completed song, and it's like it's done, and I'll play it for someone and it's like share it with someone. That's very satisfying. Sharing this process with other people. It's a big deal, and that's why in the melody experiment we have the producer's corner. Because it's great to play it on guitar, great to play it for yourself and for a few people that and are in your vicinity. But it's an amazing thing to share it on a wider scale with people, and that's the whole point of recording it.